Hello everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning all. Today's vocabulary: Kindle, Kindle. Groundbreaking, Groundbreaking. Kindle, to make someone feel a particular emotion or strong emotions. Synonyms: arouse, excite, provoke, glow, attract, interest, ignite, burn, blaze, set fire to, inspire. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: put out, douse, dull, quench, disenchant, turn off, extinguish. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: her imagination was kindled by the exciting stories her grandmother told her. Groundbreaking, innovative or introducing new ideas or methods. Synonyms: pioneering, advanced, leading, forward-looking, trend-setting, radical, spearheading. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: conservative, traditional, constant, outdated, old-fashioned, conventional, repetitive. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: we made 2 groundbreaking discoveries this week. Scupper, Scupper. Byzantine, Byzantine. Scupper, to cause something such as a plan or opportunity to fail. Synonyms: thwart, ruin, endanger, wreck, defeat, destroy, impact, affect, overthrow. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: float, raise, promote, develop, fix, correct, reform, make up. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: arriving late for the interview scuppered my chances of getting the job. Byzantine, complicated and difficult to understand. Synonyms: complex, intricate, convoluted, difficult, tangled, knotty, devious, tortuous, involute. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: simplified, uniform, plain, simple, homogeneous, uncoiled, easy, straight, non-complex. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: Meena had several questions after reading the Byzantine document. Insinuation, Insinuation. Bucolic, Bucolic. Insinuation, an unpleasant hint or suggestion of something bad. Synonyms: implication, inference, sneak, allusion, interpolate, veiled remark. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: announce, declare, proclaim, decline, reject, overlook. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: are you insinuating that I won by cheating? Bucolic, relating to the pleasant aspects of the countryside and country life. Synonyms: rural, Arcadian, provincial, rustic, agrarian, agrestic, agricultural. All these words can be related to synonyms. Antonyms: urban, metro, cultured, municipal, cityfied, cosmopolitan. All these words can be related to antonyms. Example: the painting shows a typical bucolic scene with peasants. That's the end of today's session. Thank you very much for joining. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.